Okay then, this is just about safely setting up the studio flash heads. It'll have a protective cover over the front of the lamp and the bulb here, and there's also on the same side as where you have the power and the lamp setting, there's a little bit that your thumb will fall to. Grab hold of that and just twist that clockwise, allow you to take it out. It's not so much of a concern when you're switching it on, but if you've been using it for a period of time, if you were to touch that, it could give you quite a nasty burn, and also it wouldn't do the flash any good. Any grease or anything on any of these, next time they get switched on, they'll probably just blow. So it's a case of just being mindful of that, not getting totally paranoid, but just making sure that you're not being silly. Now, what I'm going to do is, the bowl sits over that. There are 3 pegs, so obviously they'll line up with the bits here. And the same thing, just turn it till you hear the click. To take it back off again, same thing. Little black bit where your thumb is, take that, pull it right out. But we want that on there. And just turn it round. Bit here, the brolly fits into, so we can leave that. And you can actually use this for shooting, and it'll give quite a harsh, quite a contrasty light, but it might be exactly what you need. There is a bit about using the flash without anything to soften the flash, anything to diffuse the flash, that might be just the job for what you're doing. If you want strong, really contrasty light, that might be the very thing. But just be aware. Don't get people up too close to it, because if the bulb was to go or something, there's obviously a glass hazard. You don't want to take any risks. Once you've finished using the flash, it's generally regarded as good practice. The little green light at the side, which is between the power and the lamp bit there, if you push that, it triggers the flash and discharges it. And that means that when you switch the flash off, it's getting put away and it doesn't have a charge stored in it. It apparently will extend the life of the flash, so that's got to be a good thing. It's just a case of pushing the button and then switching it off. On the back, the controls on it, the off battery and wave button, you're pushing the top bit of that button to switch the flash on. You probably won't need to change the lamp mode or the lamp level buttons on it. The beep one, if it annoys you, the bit that comes through between or after every shot to let you know that the flash is recharged and ready to go, you can actually switch that off, but then you're running the risk of taking shots that aren't correctly or accurately exposed.